How to fix the issue of not being able to hear phone calls unless on speaker. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the issue of not being able to hear the phone calls unless it is on speaker. Now, this error or this issue might occur due to various reasons. However, it is just a normal glitch or a bug unless there is a problem on your hardware, that is. Now, if you have the issue with the hardware, then you might want to go ahead and fix it on the hardware store. However, if it's not the issue, it might just be a glitch or a bug. Now what you can do is you can simply go ahead and you can restart your device. Simply press and hold the power button at the right hand side of your screen, and then you'll be able to see power off option, and you can see restart. You can either turn it off and then turn it back on again, or simply tap on restart and you'll be able to restart it easily. And once you have restarted, this will fix the issue as well. So this way you can fix the can't hear phone calls unless on speaker issue on your phone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.